presenting a pre-owned 2013 Cadillac Escalade Luxury. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 181,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Tim Bowe at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.